how to put multiple price in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to add multiple pricing for the same product in TikTok Shop. And to be able to do this, let's simply click on add new product over here on the left side. As you can see in this page, this is where we will be able to add the basic information that you would need to add for a product. Scrolling down, you will be able to see here sales information. For us to unlock that section, let's select a random category for now, just for the sake of showing you sales information section over here. Under the sales information, this is where you will be able to add the price of a product. Now, if you want to add multiple prices, you would have to enable variations over here, which would allow you to add a variation of the product that you're trying to add, and you will be able to add a separate color or a separate pricing for it. So for example here, brown, done, but we would not, or we will need to upload an image for that. But basically, we will be able to add a retail price for a specific type of product. So maybe over here, blue, click on done. We will now be able to set a different price for the color blue, as you can see here. But it's the same product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.